Hello, thank you for being in a new video. This time I have with you the top 5 of the best buys of this season for the mid-low range. Let's get started. Remember that to place them in this range, consider only their price. If you think that any of these devices are part of a higher range, that's fine, it's all good. Remember to also look at the lower price tops because you might find a better buy there. For this top, we are considering from 3,000 to 4,999 pesos. On the screen, you saw reference prices in dollars, and let's get started. Honor XA, currently around 3,000 Mexican pesos. The main bet of this device will be the design, as it has a quite attractive back cover, but also comes with good storage of 128 gigabytes, good RAM of 6 gigabytes. The screen is big, 6.74 inches, but what I like the most is its battery, which is 5,330 milliamps, slightly bigger than most devices today. Its processor is not going to be its strong point, that you should know, but for some group of people who are not that demanding, it could turn out to be a good buy. Moto G52, currently around 4,000 Mexican pesos. Even in some stores you find the model of 256 gigabytes of storage cheaper. But if the storage is not attractive enough, it is also accompanied by a good AMOLED screen of 6.6 inches, brings 50 megapixel camera in the main lens, also ultra-wide 8 megapixel, and the processor is Snapdragon 680. The battery is 5,000 milliamps, then as a conclusion it seems to me a good buy in this price range. Galaxy A34, you can currently find it around 4,700 Mexican pesos, even also with its option of 256 gigabytes of storage. Remember that this device also has Super AMOLED screen of 6.6 inches, 48 megapixel camera in the main, 8 megapixels in the ultra-wide, and the processor is a Dimensity 1080, which for the vast majority of users is fine if you are not so interested in games. But what strikes me the most about this device and why I would recommend it the most is because it's waterproof certified, so you have a better chance and more assurance that if you happen to drop it in the water, it's going to survive. In addition, it is a Galaxy, so it has a good ecosystem surrounding it so that later you can buy more accessories and have a good experience, although the charger is purchased separately. Up to this point, I had mentioned several gray market devices, which remember that currently should not present any problems in Mexico. Just remember that if you buy it in the gray market, you will not have a valid warranty with the manufacturer in Mexico, but you can claim your warranty with the store where you purchased it. Infinix Note 30 Pro is currently around 4,500 Mexican pesos. This is possibly the king of this top due to the fact that it integrates features that we do not normally see in the mid-range, such as wireless charging and reversible wireless charging. The back cover design is also attractive, and it has a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen and 108 megapixel main camera, although it does not have an ultra-wide camera. It also has 256 gigabytes of storage, and its processor is the Helio G99, also with 5,000 mAh battery. Finally, Realme 10, which currently costs around 4,000 Mexican pesos, again in its 256 gigabyte edition. In addition, it has 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, 50 megapixel main camera, the processor is the Helio G99, and also has 5,000 mAh battery. As you can see, several of these devices share some features precisely because they seem to me the most interesting within this price range. In the description, I leave you some links in case you want to go looking for the prices that I more or less mentioned, because remember that prices can vary greatly, especially if you buy them from official distributors. It is likely that the price is higher, although they have the advantage that they offer direct warranty. Although of these I mentioned, Infinix and Realme do offer official distribution in these stores I mentioned. But now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments if you have any other in mind, or that you already have your eye on within this same price range, so you can suggest it to the whole community, and we can all give each other feedback to know what is the best device to buy in this price range. I hope you liked this video. If so, you know you can tell us, and we'll see you next time.